Alright, this is LeetCode problem 1545. Find the kth bit in the nth binary string. This is all about pattern. So, chalo dekhte hain. Let's go. The very first string S1 is just 0 and her level per pattern same रहता है. You take the previous string, then you put 1 in the exact middle, and then you take the previous string again but reverse and flip it. 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0. बस यही rule repeat होता रहता है. Now we only care about one position, that is kth bit. और पूरा string build करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, वो length बहुत जल्दी grow करता रहता है ना. So no need. To figure out where k length, one thing helps a lot, that is length. At level n, the length is 2 raised to the power n minus 1. So if n is 4, the length is 15. And the middle position is half of 15 plus 1, which is 8, right there. That middle character is always 1. So, simple हो जाता है. If k equals the middle, answer is 1. If k is on the left, left is exactly the same as the level, like previous level. If k is on the right, वो mirror होता है left side का. And that mirror position is bound by length minus k plus 1. Whatever sits at that mirrored spot is just the previous level. We flip it because right side is always inverted. This keeps going until we reach level 1, which is just 0. Very clear. Okay, now let's say n equals 4, k equals 11. Length is 15, middle is 8. 11 is to the right, so mirror बन जाएगा 15 minus 11 plus 1, that is 5. So we check the fifth position in the level 3 and we keep reducing like this. And the final bit जो मिलता है, that turns out to be 1. No need to ever build all 15 bits. So the code follows exact this thinking. It first checks the smallest case. If n is 1, return 0. Then we compute length as 2 raised to the power n minus 1 and middle as half of that length plus 1. If k equals the middle, we just return 1. If k is less than the middle, we look at the same position in the previous level, and if k is greater than, we compute the mirror using the length minus k plus 1. Find that bit from the previous level and flip it after, like before returning. Thus, simple backtracking through the pattern. We reduce the level by 1 each time, so time is big O of n and recursion stack be big O of n. Alright, that wraps up LeetCode 1545. Cool, okay, we'll stop here. Thanks for watching.